Good morning to everyone present here. Hope you all are doing great. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of our online classes. So this is your English Me online class. Let's start studying. Today we are going to start our book of Grammar Today's page number 1, topic Let Us Revise. So starting with part A, in which we have to find out whether the sentence is statement, which means it is a simple sentence, question in which the question is being asked or WH words are used, exclamatory sentence in which some sort of emotions are being defined, C for command in which someone is giving order, and request in someone is requesting to someone else with the use of the word please. So let's start solving the examples. The example number 1 is who painted this picture. Here we have the WH word along with the question mark, so that is a question sentence. It is quite beautiful. Here we have the exclamation mark, so that is an exclamatory sentence. My elder brother painted it, that is a simple sentence, so it is a statement. In example 4, please let me have it, we have the word please, which shows that it is a request. How can I give it to you, that in which we have the question mark along with the question WH word, so that is a question. I can pay you for it, that is a simple sentence and it is a statement. My brother may not want to sell it, that is a statement. Will you please ask him? Here we have the question as well as the helping verb in the start for asking some questions, so that is a question sentence. I will ask him and let you know, that is a simple sentence, so that is a statement. I shall wait for your reply, that is also a statement. So moving on to the next question, next part, that is a part B. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each sentence. So the first point is that what do we mean by subject? So subject, a person or a thing that is doing a work. Basically a subject is a noun, the name of a person, place or a thing that is doing some sort of work. And predicate that is that tells something about the subject, and it also contains a verb that is known as a predicate. So let's start solving the examples. We have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. So for example number 1, Wajiha has stood first in the class. Wajiha here is the subject, the name of a person, place, that is has stood first in the class. The verb and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. Second is the trees on the hillside are laden with fruit. The trees on the hillside are subject, are laden with fruit, that is the predicate. Hillside are subject, are laden with fruit, that is the predicate. Abdullah, that is subject, loves to eat mangoes in the summer, that is the predicate. Tall boy with spectacles, that is the subject, is my best friend, that is the predicate. Little Red Riding Hood, that is the subject, was not afraid of the big bad wolf, that is the predicate. Hungry Goldilocks, that are subject, ate the porridge on the table, that is the predicate. The brave elf, that is the subject, decided to look for the dragon, that is the predicate. Little bunny rabbit, that is subject, waited for the lion, that is predicate. Haris and Atif, both names are the subject, decided to go home, are the predicate, is the predicate. The baby doves, that is the subject, peeped out from their nest on the tree, that is the predicate. So moving on to the part C, that is underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in these sentences. So what do we mean by common nouns? Common noun, that are the type of the nouns in which we study about the name of a common person or a common person, place or a thing. And in proper noun, we study about the name of particular person, place of or thing. So let's start solving the examples. Mr. Nazim is our new principal. So here we have to underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. So Mr. Nazim, that is the name of a particular person, so that is a proper noun. And principal, that is a common noun because anyone can be a principal. Mahwish, that is the name of a person, so it is a proper noun. Gathered grapes, that is common noun, from her uncle's vineyard, that is also a common noun. The little hen here is a common noun, was frightened of the wicked fox, that is also a common. Example number 4 is Kiran made a sand castle on the beach. Kiran here is a proper noun, sand castle common noun, and beach common noun. The tourists were thrilled to see wild tigers in Karachi Zoological Garden. Tourist common noun, tigers common noun, Karachi Zoological Garden, that is the name of a particular place, so that is a proper noun. My brother is common noun, Anjum particular name of a person, so that is a proper noun. Officer common noun, ship common noun, PNS Khyber, that is a proper noun. Ali and Asad are proper noun. Fetched water, that is a common noun. From the stream common noun. Near the camp common noun. The students decided to buy flowers for Miss Bisma. Need a sand castle on the beach. Kiran here is a proper noun, sand castle common noun, and beach common noun. The tourists were thrilled to see wild tigers in Karachi Zoological Garden. Tourist common noun, tigers common noun, Karachi Zoological Garden, that is the name of a particular place, so that is a proper noun. My brother is common noun, Anjum particular name of a person, so that is a proper noun. Officer common noun, ship common noun, PNS Khyber, that is a proper noun. Ali and Asad are proper noun. Fetched water, that is a common noun. From the stream common noun. Near the camp common noun. The students decided to buy flowers for Miss Bisma. Students common noun, flowers common noun, and Miss Bisma proper noun. The monkeys have eaten all the bananas on the tree. Monkeys common noun, bananas common noun, on the tree. The tree, that is common noun. Akram met Mr. Arif at the bus stand. Akram, that is a common noun, proper noun. Example number 10 is Akram met Mr. Arif at the bus stand. Akram, that is a proper noun. Mr. Arif, the name of a particular person, that is also a proper noun. Bus stand, that is a common noun. So moving on to the part D, that is circle the subject and underline the object, if any, for the verbs in the dark print. So we have already discussed what we mean by subject. Subject is the person or the thing that is doing the work. Object is the word on which thing that is doing the work. Object is the word on which the work is being done. So let's start solving the examples, and we have to circle the subject and underline the object. Mother cut the vegetables with a knife. Here the mother, that is a subject who is doing the work. What the work she is doing, that is cutting the vegetables, and on which the work is done, that is the vegetables. So vegetables here are object. Second is the little pigeon flew away happily. The little pigeon subject, and here we do not have any object because the little pigeons have not done any sort of work on anything, so in this sentence we do not have any object. Third is the boy made a boat with paper. The boy, that is the subject. What he has made, that is a boat, so the boat is a object. My neighbor's cat killed a rat yesterday. My neighbor's cat, that is a subject who is doing the work. What work he has done, that he has killed a rat, so the rat is an object. The rat ran away when it saw the cat. The rat here is subject, and we do not have any object. I saw a movie last night. I is the subject, and movie. The woodcutter cut the plank into small pieces. The woodcutter, that is a subject, and what and movie is the object. My aunt read a story for us at the bedtime. My aunt, that is a subject. A story, that is an object. It rained very heavily last night. It, that is a subject, and here we do not have any sort of object on which the work is being done. The woodcutter cut the plank into small pieces. The woodcutter, that is a subject, and what he is cutting, that is the plank, and plank is an object. The baby slept soundly through the night. The baby, that is the subject, and here we also do not have any object. So moving on to the part E, in which we have to fill in the blanks with the articles a, and, in, the. Number 1 is the Indus flows through an area of fertile fields. 2. Suhail reached school half an hour late. Alexander lived a long time ago in the kingdom of Macedonia. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Tahira rode an elephant when she went to the Cluny's carnival. The boys played cricket all day. An honest man can always be trusted. The principal advised the children not to watch more than an hour of television in a day. The Himalayas are the grandest mountain range in world. The lazy grasshopper learned a lesson from the hard-working ant. Hope you all have enjoyed your online classes. Good luck, class.